अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। हाउ आर यू एवरीवन? कैफ़ हालुकुमा?
वालेकुम सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
सुमेरा, आप कैसी हैं? हमारे साथ सुमेरा है, नवीन है, कौन है?
आई डोंट नो कि नाम से पता नहीं चला।
ओके। सो ज़ैनब, आपने तमाम होमवर्क शेयर किया हुआ है?
जितना दिया था आपने मैंने कर दिया था। एक लास्ट टाइम क्लासेस का एक रह गया था, फाउंडर कॉम्बो वाला एक वो था, और एक जो आपने पढ़ाया था लास्ट टाइम उसके ऊपर दिया था ना। मगर इसमें मुझे की कुछ कंफ्यूजन थी, लेकिन मैंने अंदाजे से लिख दिया था बहरहाल।
ओके,
तो मैंने कहा था मैं पूछ लूंगी क्लास।
लेट चेक। ओके, ये वेट अ मिनट, यू हैव सबमिटेड दिस वन, राइट?
जी, और वो लास्ट वाला वो तो इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है
हम्म।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। लेकिन ये वो है ना, इसके अंदर अच्छा एक इसके अंदर है अदन।
अदन, यस।
तो इसको मैंने रीजन फुली फ्लेक्सिबल करके इसका रीजन लिखा है कि ये प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ प्लेस है विद सुकून और 3 लेटर वर्ड है, इसलिए इसके फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है।
एक सेकेंड, हियर इट इज। Where it is? Yes, this one, right?
जी,
Okay, so Adan, ये रहा। Adan is here. अब बताएं, क्या क्या कह रही हैं आप?
मैं कह रही थी इसको पहले मक्का की वजह से, मक्का भी एक प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ प्लेस है तो उसको हमने पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल कहा था, लेकिन हालांकि उसमें भी 3 ही लेटर्स हैं मगर सुकून नहीं है, तशदीद है, शद्दा है ना। तो इसलिए वो हमारा पार्टली
हम्म।
फ्लेक्सिबल है, प्रॉपर नाम। मगर अदन जो है वो भी एक प्लेस का ही नाम है। और इसको मैंने रीजन फुली फ्लेक्सिबल करके प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ प्लेस विथ 3 लेटर वर्ड है और सुकून इन सेंटर, तो ये ठीक है।
It's fully flexible.
यस, फुली फ्लेक्सिबल बिकॉज इट है 3 लेटर वर्ड विथ सुकून इन सेंटर।
Exactly. Good job.
ओके।
Fully flexible, we have to see that as earlier I have mentioned that non-Arab names comes in fully flexible, sorry, partly flexible, right?
जी
Non-Arab names, okay? And Arab names comes in fully flexible, but a part of that also there would be, if there would be three-letter words and middle word would be sukoon, so that would also be fully flexible, okay?
जी जी। अच्छा, सेकंड तलहा है।
Okay, wait,
तलहा
wait, आपने कहा मोहम्मदन जो है वो fully flexible है, रीजन क्या है?
फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है, अरेबिक नेम इन कुरान।
Arab name है, right? Perfect. Wait a minute, let me, हम साथ साथ जल्दी जल्दी कर लेते हैं ताकि क्लैरिटी हो जाए। ओके, इसका रीजन क्या है कि ये अरब नेम, राइट?
जी,
ठीक है, फुली फ्लेक्सिबल। अब है हुदन।
नहीं बीच में ऐसा कैसे कर दूँ?
हुदन
ओके,
क्या है?
हुदन नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल। नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल है बिकॉज इट एंड्स विद या, ये छोटी है यानी या ही पढ़ूंगी।
रीजन क्या है इसका?
एंड्स विद या।
एग्जैक्टली exactly. इसको कहते हैं अलिफ मकसूरा, ठीक है? या।
जी।
ओके।
देन जहन्नम।
जहन्नम, राइट? इट्स ऑल्सो अ
पार्टली
word of place. So what would it be?
पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल।
क्यों?
proper name of place.
If it is proper name, then why it is partly flexible? Every proper name doesn't come in partly or fully flexible. There might be some categories or reasons which we have to know. Like Jahannam is not the place name. It's a word for place. Like I have mentioned that places names come in partly flexible, but this is not the place name. This is the word for place. जैसे हम पार्क किसी जगह के लिए यूज करते हैं, likewise Jannah. So these would be fully flexible. Jahannamun, Jahannaman, Jahannamin.
आपने ये जो आपका ये है ना, जो आपने नोट्स भी शेयर किए थे, उसमें भी जहन्नम आप उसमें ही है, पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल में है।
एक सेकेंड, यस मुझे ना याद आ रहा है, एक सेकेंड ओके। Jahannam is also a place, right?
जी जी, ये पता नहीं पेज, ये जो आपका ये है ना, जो ड्रिल है ना, उसके ऊपर वाले पेज के ऊपर ही देखिए।
एक सेकेंड,
जी नीचे चला गया, थोड़ा और नीचे।
where is?
प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ
Yes,
प्लेस
yes,
की
yes,
हेडिंग
yes.
में है।
Sorry. Yes, it is partly flexible. Right.
जी जी, मुझे लग भी रहा था, फिर मैंने चेक किए थे पीछे से नोट्स सारे आपके देखे थे।
Exactly. I was wrong. It was mistake.
जी
Yes, it's partly flexible. All right. Actually, there might be some confusion, so that's why it's partly flexible. And reason, what would be the reason? That क्या रीजन लिखेंगे जैनब?
प्रॉपर नेम, प्रॉपर नेम, प्रॉपर नेम।
The proper name. It's not a common name. But I have also a question that we have Jannah. And Jannah is fully flexible. Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin.
मे बी जन्नत तो कभी कभी वर्ड बाग के लिए भी यूज करते हैं हम
This is why
अरबिक
this
में,
is
फिर
why
जन्नत
I
को।
got confusion. Yes. That's why a lot of words, as I told you earlier, that sometimes I think I figure out that there might no logic, and without logic, words have the differences. But so far, whatever we are learning in these drills, so we are getting the clarity. Sometimes कोई confusion हो जाती है, but most probably we should know that how the way we have to figure out the things. So we have Makkah.
दिस इज पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल
It's
बिकॉज
partly,
इट इज प्रॉपर नेम,
yes. What is the reason? Because
प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस।
it's a place name. Yes. Now it is Umar.
उमर इज पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल, और रीजन का मैंने लिखा था पीछे से नोट्स से, जो मुझे समझ आए। मस्कुलिन नेम विद नो फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट।
Can you please speak little louder?
Masculine name with no female counterpart.
So that's why.
Partly flexible.
Okay. Now Talha. It is also non-Arab name. That's why it's partly flexible. Saleh,
Fully flexible.
because it's Arab names. Nuhun,
Fully flexible. Yeah.
exactly, because
Non-Arab name.
and
Non-Arab name letter word.
it's non-Arab name, so it would come in partly flexible. If it is fully flexible, what would be the reason?
because it has a three letter, it is a three letter
Exactly.
word with just
It's a three-letter word with middle word sukoon, right?
जी,
Adan,
ये fully flexible है, इस सेम रीजन.
Zakaria,
नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल.
perfect. Why?
एंड विद अलिफ. अलिफ ममदूदा आई थिंक इसको कहते हैं.
Exactly. These two words when ending with the or on the letter, so we should have to see that it would be non-flexible. Okay, so let's move on. Sumaira, are you with us? And Naveen is also with us or not?
यस.
We have Naveen?
जी जी मिस.
All right. Naveen, you got clear? You got the clarity towards understanding of light and heavy and flexibility.
मिस मुझे
Yes.
लाइट और हैवी तो सही समझ आया था, लेकिन
Can you
Relative में
please
अभी मैं
speak
थोड़ा
little louder?
मिस हैवी और लाइट तो मुझे सही समझ आ गया, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में अभी मुझे
Okay.
समझ नहीं आया.
Let's do it quickly. This exercise about heavy and light. Okay, Naveen, go ahead. Yes. Asfin,
हैवी, फर्स्ट अस्फिन हैवी.
reason?
सभी मिस वो इन साउंड उसकी खत्म है.
Noon sound. Noon is ending sound, right?
जी.
Okay.
सबील
Sabil Allahi.
उगानिमा इज लाइट. सबील इज लाइट.
How?
मिस उसकी एंडिंग साउंड नोन नहीं है ना.
Ending sound is light. Okay. Muhliku.
मोहलिक, एंडिंग साउंड इज लाइट.
Okay. What would be its heavy version?
मोहलिकुन, मोहलिकून.
Muhlikun, right. Muhlikuna. Una. All right. Masajida.
लाइट.
What would be the heavier version?
साजिद दूना.
Do. इसके ऊपर जबर लगा हुआ है.
डन होगा.
साजिदनी.
Masajidan.
अच्छा
Masajidan
मसाजिद.
इसका heavy version होगा, right? Okay.
ठीक है.
As-samawati.
लाइट.
इसके साथ अल लग गया है तो ये irrelevant हो जाएगा.
ठीक है.
No heavy, no light. If it has al, so it would be irrelevant.
ओके.
All right.
जी मिस.
Maghanima.
लाइट.
What would be the heavy version?
मगानिमन.
Perfect. Muttaqina.
लाइट.
Why?
नहीं हैवी.
Okay. Why it is heavy?
हैवी. हैवी ना या नून की ना की वजह से.
It's a
मुत्तकी होता
combo.
तो लाइट होता.
Yeah, it's a combo. Ina sound, right? And where it is in the chart?
ये है नस्ब और जर, और ये डुअल में है.
Masculine chart and third column, right? Nasab and jar. Ina sound.
प्लूरल. जी.
Okay. All right. Now, al-qailina.
इररेलेवेंट.
Irrelevant. Mubinan.
हैवी.
Ibnataini.
Combo.
So if it is
Dual.
combo, then
Heavy.
where
Heavy or
it,
dual.
yes, where it is in the chart?
Dual.
In masculine or feminine?
Masculine. Dual.
Nasab and jar, right?
Right.
Good. Perfect. All right. I hope everyone got this. Now let's move on. अब हमने क्या करना है? हमने जो है ना, ये देखनी है चीजें। एक सेकंड रुके। हमारे पास जो है इसमें इशारा जो है पॉइंटर वर्ड्स, they all are fully flexible, non-flexible or partly flexible.
Non-flexible.
Non-flexible. Why? Reason?
Because ending sound is Ali.
Because it's Rafa, Nasab and Jar. All
Yeah.
three ending sounds are similar. Three status have one ending. Like Haza. Hazu, Hazi. Is it? Or only Haza?
Only Haza.
Haza. Hazihi, Haulai. All the words have one ending only in all three statuses. Like in sentence, either we would make we would use it as nasab, either we would use it as rafa or jar. In all three statuses, it would be the similar, it would be the same. ये चेक चेंज नहीं होगा, तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल. All ism mausula means pointer words, ismul ishara, are same. Got it?
Yes.
Likewise, see, as I told you earlier, we have the flexibility. Who will tell me the flexibility means?
इसमें change आ सकता हो.
Exactly. Anything can move, anything can change, right? That is called flexibility. And there are three categories of flexibility. Fully flexible. In fully flexible, what we have discussed, most of the isms are fully flexible. They can be heavy or light. They can show all statuses. Three-letter word always comes in fully flexible with sukoon, with middle word sukoon. With middle letter in sukoon. Like, give me an example. Lutun, Lutan, Lutin. Is it Arab name or non-Arab name?
Arab.
No, it's non-Arab name.
Yusuf is not. No, and Lut is.
It's non-Arab name, but why we are putting it in fully flexible category? Because it has three letters and second letter is with sukoon.
मिस कैसे पता चलेगा कि अरब नेम नहीं?
Arab names are like you can say हमें खुद जो है ना उसको सर्च करना पड़ेगा एंड प्रॉफिट्स नेम तो हमें पता है कि किस किस के अरब नेम्स थे 3 या 4 प्रॉफिट्स नेम जो है वो सिर्फ वो अरबिक नेम्स थे एंड रेस्ट ऑफ अदर्स आर नॉन अरब्स like let's see the chart. This is the way I told you that we have to memorize the things which are not logically fulfilled. Like for instance here, these are all non-Arab names. Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa. In, you can say in partly flexible.
Okay, miss.
In partly flexible, we have to see non-Arab names. Places names. And female names. And partly flexible have only 2 endings. 2 endings. Means Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa. We have 3 status, but we have only 2 ending sounds. We don't have Yusufi. Okay? This is non-Arab. This is non-Arab. Ismailu, Ismaila, Ismaila. Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Yaqubu, Yaquba, Yaquba. Maryamu, Maryama, Maryamu. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. This is Arab name. That's why it's fully flexible. Hudun, Hudan, Hudan. This is Arab name. That's why it's fully flexible. Solihun, Solihan, Solihin. This is Arab name. That's why it's fully flexible. Shoaibun, Shoaiban, Shoaibin. This is fully flexible because it's Arab name. So this is the way we need to see the things. Okay. Now let's come to the 3-letter words. See here, you can see Lutun. Although it is not what? It is Arab name or non-Arab name? It is non-Arab name, but it is fully flexible. Reason? Due to 3-letter word with middle sukoon word. Nuhun, fully flexible. Now let's move on to the feminine names.
Otherwise, fully flexible.
Sorry,
Arabic name.
what are you saying?
Yes,
Naveen?
otherwise, Arabic name fully flexible होंगे. और ये
Exactly. Arab
exceptions.
names. Yes. Arab
ये
names जितने भी होंगे, they would be fully flexible.
ठीक है मिस.
All right.
जी मिस.
Then Aishatun, Aisha, sorry. अच्छा, एक और चीज के पार्टी फ्लेक्सिबल में तनवीन नहीं होती. Mind it. No tanveen.
क्यों मिस?
Keep remember this. In party flexible, whatever we have, there would no tanveen at the end. So ये light ही होगा, heavy नहीं होगा इसमें. आयशा तो आयशता आयशता fully partly flexible. खदीजतु खदीजता खदीजता partly flexible. ज़ैनबु ज़ैनबा ज़ैनबा partly flexible. ईमानु ईमाना ईमाना partly flexible. हमज़तु हमज़ता हमज़ता partly flexible. मुआवियतु मुआवियता मुआवियता partly flexible. Umaru umara umara partly flexible. किसने मैसेज किया हुआ है? रिपीट कर दे इसमें इशारा. ओके, अभी मैं सुमेरा बताती हूँ. अच्छा, ये है उस्मानु उस्माना उस्माना पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल. उसके बाद हम नीचे आते हैं प्रॉपर नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस. ठीक है, प्रॉपर नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस. मक्कातु मक्काता मक्काता यसरबु सॉरी यसरिबु यसरिबा यसरिबा जहन्नमु जहन्नमा जहन्नमा. अच्छा, यहाँ मेरा कंफ्यूजन ये है, जैसे अभी हम लोग वी वर स्टक, if Jahannam is the proper name, then why Jannah is not proper name? This is my question. And we have to see it. You also guys have to see it. Because Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin, this is fully flexible. If it is fully flexible, why Jahannam is not fully flexible? This is the question from my side. So we will have to see. Okay? All right. Next is some names of places have an al. In such cases, the name is fully flexible. ठीक है? जब हमारे पास अल के साथ कुछ नेम्स आते हैं तो वो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं. अल इराकू, अल इराका, अल इराकी, अल हिंदू, अल हिंदा, अल हिंदी. ठीक है? और लाइकवाइज नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस दैट आर 3 लेटर्स, जैसे 3 लेटर्स का हमें कंफर्मेशन हो गई है, दैट वुड बी with middle sukoon letter, that would be in fully flexible category. So far, if there would be any confusion, so you can ask. Otherwise, we will move on. So, Mera, I was telling that about the Ismul Ishara. Haza, Hazihi. See here. 3 statuses have one ending, like Allazi. हम अल्लाजी को अल्लाजू अल्लाजा नहीं बना सकते. Likewise, अल्लाजीना को अल्लाजीनू अल्लाजीनी नहीं बना सकते. Have you heard from any side in Quran? We have multiple places these kind of words, and they have only one ending, not all 3 statuses. In every case, either it would be rafa, nasab, or jar, doer, details, or what? Or someone's after of, yes. So everywhere their sound, ending sound would be the same. They don't have any differentiation or discrimination. Allazi would be Allazi in all 3 statuses. Allazina would be Allazina in all 3 statuses. In nasab, rafa, nasab, and jar, all. ठीक है? Zalika would not be Zaliku and Zaliki. Zalika would be Zalika in all statuses. Tilka would be Tilka. Ulaika would be Ulaika. Haulai would be Haulai. Not in Rafa Haulau, Haula. No. Hazihi would be Hazihi. Haza would be Haza. Means these are non-flexible. Means they can't move, they can't change. I hope you got it. Now let's do this drill quickly because we have a short of time, and also we couldn't do the practice of conversation class as I due to some reasons I couldn't do the class yesterday, but I was willing to take the class on Saturday, but nobody was voting in the poll, so that's why it was missed. I am requesting you all that try to take out some time, at least 20 to 30 minutes for the practice. So you guys have the clarity towards the confusions. So let's do it quickly. Otherwise, we would have a short of time. Okay. Sumaira, if you can't speak, then okay, fine. You can. Naveen, you can tell. Zainab, you can tell first. Musa. Fully flexible, partly flexible, or non-flexible?
Non-flexible.
Reason?
Ya and I. Alif Maksura.
Good. Next is Naveen. Naveen, are you there? Are you there? Yes, Naveen. Number 2.
जी मिस जन्ना partly flexible.
Jannah is not partly
समझ आ
flexible,
रही है.
fully flexible, as it is a proper noun. Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin. Okay, first line, Zainab, you can do. Second line would be Naveen.
Okay. Jannat, fully flexible. Yusuf is partly flexible because it's a non-Arab name.
Exactly.
Isa is non-flexible because it has a alif maksura in the end. Rahmat is fully flexible.
Rama is
Fully flexible.
good. Why?
Because it has both time line.
It's a common word. हमारे पास
Okay, common.
जितने भी अरेबिक वर्ड्स होंगे, जितनी भी कॉमन नाउन्स होंगे, वो क्या होंगे? फुली फ्लेक्सिबल. ऑल राइट.
Common nouns are fully flexible. Okay.
ओके.
And Sultan.
मिस कॉमन भी फ्लेक्सिबल है फुली और प्रॉपर भी फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है, दोनों फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है.
they have some categories, Naveen, which I have noted down towards you guys, that हमें ये देखना है कि सारे प्रॉपर नाउन्स जो हैं वो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है और सारे पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है. We have the conditions. As I told you, Arab names would be in fully flexible and non-Arab names would be in partly flexible. But all common words, common nouns, most of the time, common words like kitabun, kalamun, they would be fully flexible. Okay? Sultan.
ठीक है.
Sultan, if we would
Sultan
say
is a common.
as a word, as a common word, if we will use like you can say Sultan का मतलब ये होता है ना basically क्या होता है?
बादशाह.
बादशाहत
ruler.
होती है ना, बादशाहत होती है, right?
Yes.
So if we will use it as a common noun, so it would be fully flexible.
Common
But
noun
if it is name,
Yes.
if it is name, so it is Arab name or non-Arab name?
Non-Arab.
Exactly. If it is non-Arab name and as a name it is using, so it would be in partly flexible. So ये होगा सुल्तानु, सुल्ताना, सुल्ताना. And if it would be it would be using as a word common noun, so sultanun, sultanan, sultanin, इस तरह से आएगा. We have to figure it out. It's a tricky one, but we have to do the practice. So practice makes the man perfect. Lut is the fully flexible. Muhammad is fully flexible. Safina,
Fully flexible.
fully flexible. See, Safina is also what? Is a proper noun, but it's a thing name. It's a you can say it's a object name या किसी चीज का नाम है. So we would have to check all of the Arabic word
नाम होते हैं
which
मिस
can be
सफीना.
used for things or something or some objects or some kind of material. So it would be fully flexible. Yes, Naveen, you want to say something?
मिस सफीना तो लोगों का नाम नहीं होता फीमेल्स का.
If there would be Safina means kashti, ship. ठीक है? If it is using as ship, so we will use it as fully flexible thing. And if it would be a name, so Safinatu, Safinata, Safinata, as I told you here in Sultan. All right?
ठीक है.
It depends
ठीक है. ठीक.
that in which context the word is using. Sahib, if it is name, so again the conditions of partly flexible would be applied. And if it would be used for the common noun, sahibun, sahiban, sahibin, this in this way we should have to see. Likewise, masjid, masjidun, masjidan, masjidin, haza, non-flexible, masjid is fully flexible, dalas, dalas is place, is fully flexible. Is it right? Is it fully flexible?
No, it's partly flexible.
Exactly. It's partly flexible. Adam, it's
Partly
non-Arab
non-Arab.
name.
Partly
Partly
flexible.
flexible.
Yes, it's non-Arab name. Kalam,
Fully flexible.
Fully flexible.
Musaitir,
मुसाइदिर क्या होता है मिस?
इसका मतलब देखना पड़ेगा एक सेकंड. अभी टाइम शॉर्ट है, हम जल्दी जल्दी इसको रैप अप करते हैं. मुसाइतिर आप चेक करना, मैं भी इसका मीनिंग देख के आपको बताऊंगी. फिरआउन,
Pronoun fully flexible like Sultan.
Hardly
Azra,
flexible नहीं है। जिक्रा irrelevant,
irrelevant हमारे पास हैवी और उसमें लाइट में होता है, यहाँ
Okay,
हमारे
okay.
पास नॉन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में आ जाएगा ना ये,
non flexible.
बिकॉज एंडिंग वर्ड इज
No.
अलिफ मकसूरा.
Yeah.
Alif.
इतआम,
It's fully flexible.
यस. यतीम,
Fully flexible.
नार,
Flexible.
Fully flexible.
रसूल,
Flexible.
Fully flexible.
अल-उन्सा,
Non-flexible.
इब्तिगा,
non flexible. Oh, yes.
Non-flexible. नहीं, fully flexible.
Alif hand में
इसको भी चेक करें क्योंकि इसके हमजा के ऊपर कोई अराब नहीं लगा हुआ. ये दो वर्ड्स हमने चेक करने.
ठीक है
अच्छा, रब
नॉन
fully flexible. अलक,
fully
alak
flexible.
is also clot. Alak means clot, so it would be fully flexible. Ar-ruj'a, non-flexible.
non flexible.
Ibrahim,
partly flexible.
Partly flexible.
Lahab,
Partly flexible. नहीं fully flexible ये नेम है अरब.
it's a thing. Lahab means yeah, it's an Arab
ये
name.
को कहते हैं ना?
Exactly. Abu Lahab. Ahad.
fully flexible.
All right, so this is the way. You guys have to do a lot of practice for this. Check the recordings over and over again, and if there would be some points, so note them down, so we can discuss those confusions and problems. Okay? ये मैं आप लोगों से drill भी share कर देती हूँ in the group, so you can easily do it. Again, do the practice.